Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fake camera flash effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Suppose I want to add some fake camera flashes to this clip, so the first thing I'm going to do is bring the playhead to where I want to add the flash effect. Now go over to my project panel, right-click, go to New Item and click Adjustment Layer. Click on OK. Now I'm going to drag my adjustment layer over my clip. Go to the Effects panel and search for Procamp, then drag and drop that onto my adjustment layer. In Effect Controls, scroll down and go to the Procamp section. Now change the Procamp brightness to 80. That's going to give us the flash. Let's make the timeline a little thinner for better understanding. I only want to use one frame, so I'm going to trim the tails off my adjustment layer. To sell this effect, I recommend using a sound effect. I'll put a link down in the description for the one I'm using. Double-click on your audio file. Now, bring the playhead before the sound effect and click on this bracket icon. Bring the playhead to the end of the sound point and click on the ending bracket icon. Now click on this icon to insert the selected audio part. Adjust the clip and audio part. Now lock the base video. Select the adjustment file and the audio file and copy them. Now paste them a few frames apart, however many times you want. Let's play the video. Now you've got a pretty good looking camera flash effect. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.